House noting that multiple records can be held against the same individual, so the number of individuals affected by this incident is likely to be lower. Operational partners are still able to access the Police National Computer, which holds, as I say, over 13 million records. Mr. Speaker, clearly this situation is very serious, and I understand colleagues across the House will have concerns, which of course I share. Mr. Speaker, by your leave, I want to set out for the House the steps we've taken to deal with this complex incident. On the evening of the 10th of January, the same day the Home Office became aware of the incident, engineers put a stop on the automated process to ensure no further deletions took place. All similar automated processes have also been suspended. Early last week, Home Office civil servants and engineers worked quickly to alert the police and other operational colleagues and established a bronze, silver and gold command to manage the incident and coordinate a rapid response. The gold command provided rapid guidance for police forces and other partners to ensure they were kept abreast of the situation. Second, Home Office officials and engineers, working closely with the National Police Chiefs Council, police forces and other partners, immediately initiated rapid work through the Gold Command to assess the full scale and impact of the incident. This included undertaking a robust and detailed assessment and verification of all affected records, followed by developing and implementing a plan to recover as much of the data and records as is possible, and develop plans to mitigate the impacts of any lost data. This is being done, Mr. Speaker, in 4 phases. Phase 1 involves writing and testing a code to bring back accurate lists of what has been deleted as a result of the incident. Phase 2 will involve running that code and then doing detailed analysis on the return to fully analyse the records which have been lost and establish the full impact. Phase 3 will be to begin the recovery of the data from the Police National Computer and other linked systems. And Phase 4 will involve work to ensure we are deleting any data that should have been deleted, as usual, when this incident first began. Phase 1 of this process has taken place over the weekend, and I am assured it has gone well. The second phase is now underway, and I will hopefully have an update in the next few days. While any loss of data is unacceptable, I can say that other tried and tested law enforcement systems are in place which contain linked data and reports to support policing partners in their day-to-day efforts to keep us safe. For example, the Police National Database or other local force systems. The police are able to use these systems to do simultaneous checks. Mr. Speaker, I would urge patience while we continue our rapid internal investigation and begin the recovery. I hope the House will appreciate that the task in front of us is a complex one. Public safety is the top priority of everyone working at the Home Office, Mr. Speaker, and I have full faith that Home Office engineers and our partners in the National Police Chiefs Council and the police force across the country who we are working with are doing all they can to restore this data. While this is rightly our immediate priority, clearly the Home Secretary and I have commissioned an internal review as to the circumstances which led to this incident, so lessons can be learned. I will update this House regularly on process, and I commend this statement to the House.